Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we'll cook up some sweet potato fries here. We went out to Bass Pro Shop the other day and we saw this jar of Cabela's French fry seasoning, and this is sweet potato. And so, much as Kay loves sweet potatoes and sweet potato fries, we'll see if we can't cook some of these up and see how they are in this Ninja FOODi DELUXE over here. So let me get started peeling these potatoes. I'll get me a vegetable peeler one of these days. I know I'd have more potato left if I used a vegetable peeler than a knife. One down, one to go. Now, so much for that. Now let's get them washed off and get them ready to cut up into fries here. Okay, now we've got these things washed off pretty good and got them dried. And so now, see if we can get to slicing them without cutting your finger off here. There you go. And then once you get it like that, then you can just lay it over on the flat side and you don't have to worry about it rolling on you. And you can cut them ever how thick you want them. Like that, see? Of course, you really don't, you want them to be about the same thickness, you know, because if they're not the same thickness, they're not going to cook the same amount of time. But as long as you got you a good flat surface like that to lay them on, you're pretty safe. The only time you have to really pay attention is when you first start, like on this one here, and we'll do in a second. When you start on that, then you got a tendency, it has a tendency to roll out from under you. These are going to look pretty good right here. Had to eat that little bite. That's pretty good. Just like it is. You like sweet potatoes. Now if you got your fancy French fry cutter, you'd already be in the cooking them. Those look pretty good right there. Now next thing we'll do is put them in this bowl here. I'm going to spread a little olive oil on with my Evo sprayer here. And I'm going to sprinkle some of this Cabela's French fry seasoning sweet potato on it. That smells good out of the jar here when you smell it. A good smell to it. Maybe I should say nice fragrance. Good odor. One more time. That looks pretty good right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So, okay, now we're just going to dump them right down in this Ninja FOODi here. Let's all go down in there like that. Spread them out a little bit. That made a whole lot more than I thought it was going to make. Maybe I should have just done one potato. Okay, and then we're going to shut the door. Turn on the power. So over here to air crisp, that's where, that's pressure, air crisp, and run the temperature up to 400. Okay, and on your time over here, we'll go down to 10 minutes, but we might have to bring it back up some, I'm not sure, but we're going to try. Okay, and then you hit the start button. And there it goes. So, in about 5 minutes, then we'll open it up and take a look at them and stir them up real good, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, now this thing's been cooking for a while. I'm going starting to look real good too. Let me see if I can see them here. Yeah, see, they're starting to look really good. So I'm going to take and stir them up a little bit, or shake them up really, and then we'll get back to cooking them. Well, I like to do this, and I'll turn the pot a little bit so I can handle it better. But the way I like to do this when I'm doing it is just pick them up like this, and just stir them around like that, put them back in there. Go. Now, turn the pot back. And on its way. While we got a chance, if y'all can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. Thank you very much, all you people that watches our videos. That means a lot to us. If you get a chance, check out our links down below. You might see something you like down there from Amazon. So we'll be back in about a little less than 3 minutes. Okay, now it's got down to 10 seconds now. But I just tried one. I know it's going to have to be cooked more than that. So we'll take a look at them here in this 2 seconds here, and then we'll see how much time I think we'll put back on there. Probably another 10 minutes on there. Oh yeah, I'm going to put another 10 minutes on there. So we'll run the temperature up to 400. Time over here, I'll put 10 on it, shut the door, push the start button. Now, positive they'll be done this 10. Probably won't leave them in there the whole 10, but we'll see. This is one of those times I wish y'all could smell what's cooking in this pot. Oh, that sure does smell good. And I don't think these things are done right here. I'll let you look down in there real quick and see what you think. Those look delicious right there. Oh yeah, nice and tender. Yeah, those are looking, smell great. Let's get them out and try one or two of them and see what they're like. Well, this is another one of those things that I don't know whether Kay will have any when she gets home or not. These look pretty good. I'll leave one behind. Now, of course, I need just a little bit of salt and a little pepper. Now, let's try one. Oh, it's hot. Now this is so good. It's almost like having a crispy baked sweet potato, because it's crispy on the outside and it's just so tender on the inside. That was really good. That's about it for this little video with this sweet potato fries with this Cabela's French fry seasoning here, sweet potato. And I'm going to tell you what, now you ought to try some of it sometime. I got 3 different ones when I was out at Bass Pro Shop yesterday. I got the one that's supposed to be the for steak fries, French fry seasoning for steak fries, and French fry seasoning chili cheese. Now I really want to try that as much as I like chili cheese. So until next time, hope y'all have a real good and safe day. I hope you come back and see me real soon. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, because I sure do enjoy making them for you. So, till next time, y'all have a real good, safe day now. Come back and see us. Goodbye.